In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a store location in Shopify step-by-step 2025 guide. Before we dive in, a quick heads up. In Shopify, removing a location is done by deactivating it. Deactivation takes the location out of your operations, so it won't receive inventory, fulfill orders, or appear for local pickup. You can reactivate it later if you need to, which is helpful if you're consolidating warehouses or closing a pop-up location. Start by signing in to your Shopify admin. Once you're in the dashboard, look to the left sidebar and click Online Store. This simply brings you into the core admin area where the rest of your settings are easy to reach. From there, move down to the bottom left corner and click Settings. Settings is where Shopify keeps all the behind-the-scenes controls for your business. Inside Settings, find and select Locations. This page lists every active and inactive location connected to your store, such as warehouses, retail shops, and fulfillment centers. Locate the specific location you want to remove and click its name to open its details. I won't read out any addresses here. Just choose the location that you no longer need. With the location open, look toward the top right area of the page and click More Actions. In the drop-down, choose Deactivate Location. Shopify will show a confirmation dialog to make sure you understand the change. Click Deactivate Location again to confirm. That's it. The location is now deactivated and effectively removed from your active operations. A few practical notes to keep everything running smoothly. If the location you're deactivating is currently set as your default location, change your default first. You can't deactivate the only active or default location. Also, make sure there aren't pending orders or transfers tied to this location. While deactivation prevents new assignments, any items already assigned may need to be reallocated to another active location. If you use local pickup, remember that customers will no longer see this location at checkout once it's deactivated. And if third-party apps or fulfillment partners reference this location, double-check their settings so nothing breaks in your workflow. If you ever need to bring the location back, open it from the Locations list and choose Reactivate. All of your historical data remains intact. Deactivation doesn't delete past records. To recap, go to your Shopify admin, open Online Store, head into Settings, choose Locations, select the location you want to remove, go to More Actions, and confirm Deactivate Location. Follow these steps, and you'll keep your inventory and fulfillment